Hello and welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to explain you how you can use Copilot Chat inside D365 for finance and operations. Hello and welcome to the webcast. My name is Ali Reza Zaidi. I'm a techno-functional consultant for D365 for finance and operations. So AI is everywhere, and even D365 for finance and operation is now called ERP. So this is the new AI-based dashboard, and you can do a lot of things here. So I will discuss in more detail for this dashboard, but currently I am going to demonstrate you how you can use a Copilot Chat inside D365 for finance and operations. So for this icon is available on a standard toolbar, standard bar in D365 for finance and operation. When I click here, this chat is open, and here I can ask a different type of questions. For example, I am going to ask how I can create free text invoice in D365 for, for finance and operations. When I click it, so it gives me the answer. It provide me a, you can say it's a complete walkthrough. It give me a navigation. Then it mentioned how you can click on a new invoice, then select a customer account, fill the invoice detail, specific invoice date, and post the invoice. If we follow these steps, we can create the invoice. If I go into account receivable, then invoices, all free text invoices. So here are, and here if I click on new invoice, it asks me to which customer I want to against invoice. I create my own user, dollar, unit price 100, exemption code, Arabic description code, and this information I can add. It asks me main account, I put into asset, and if I go to invoice date, specify the invoice date. I'm going to add invoice date is already there, right? And if I'm going to post it, if zero tax is set to set exempt code, okay, no tax. So our first free text invoice is posted, and we create this post, and we create this free text invoice with the help of Copilot. In this way, we can also ask many questions. For example, add pre-payment for sales order. It gives me the whole process, right? In this way, we can use the Copilot inside D365 for finance and operation and make our work relatively simple. So thank you for watching. See you in another video.